Think of your stomach as a party host who hates to see leftovers. Now, what happens when guests bring too much to the party? Picture your stomach as a hardworking coal furnace, chugging away to keep you moving. But what happens when you shovel in more coal than it can handle? It doesn't just say no thank you. Oh no, it starts packing away the excess in storage units around your body, also known as fat cells. So next time you're eyeing that second helping of lasagna, remember, your body's storage units might already be a little too full. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more health tips.